Guys, I just built this house from that video. My house. So I'm gonna show you the first floor. Oh, I need to keep the monsters away. Oh. By the way, that's my dog, Ruffle. He's kind of cute. I just like him. So, I'm moving into the first floor. There's Ruffles right here. He's my dog. I like him. He's so cute. And then right here, here's the experiment room. And then next to the experiments room, there is the living room right here. And then right there is the kitchen. And then we're going out of the first floor because we're going to those stairs that you see. Those stairs that you see lead you to the second floor. By the way, my dog just hops onto that way, but I just go through this door. Oh wait, did I forget about Ruffles? I think I forgot about Ruffles. Ruffles, are you in there? Are you in the first floor? Oh, there you are, Ruffles. You were in the first floor. Wait, I forgot. You could just teleport. Are you kidding me? There we go. Now let's close that door and let's just go together, Ruffles. Come on, go through this door. Okay. That's normal. Here's the enchanting room. And then right here's the gaming room. And okay, this is the library. And then it's like, this is like a thing where where me and my dog sit. Normally my seat is right here and Ruffles' seat is right there. There's like that plant, that plant, that plant. There's so many plants in my house, and also that one. But by the way, I don't know what that one is. Maybe that's just a random room that I built. And also that one and that one. Yeah, those are just random rooms. And then right here, there's the third floor. The third floor, you see nothing. But then, right here, there's my room. And there's Ruffles. Why are you staring at me like that? Okay. So, and there's also a few balconies. Why do you sound like you're sad? Okay, now this is the third balcony. Actually, this is the second balcony. The first balcony in my house is onto the second floor. Oh my gosh, why did I place a block there? And then there's where was that balcony that I was going to show you? Oh, the first balcony is right here. As you can see, there's my dog. It sits there and I sit here because I just like sitting here. I don't know, but yeah. Come on, Ruffles. Come on, Ruffles. Come on, Ruffles. Obviously, this is the biggest house that I ever built. Like, I just worked so hard on it. So there we go. There's my house. My actual house in real life. Yeah. There's a video about my actual house in real life. By the way, outside there's this pool. I like to swim in it, but the only problem is that my dog is scared of water, and also sometimes I can't get out, others I can, but by the way, I just like it. And then there's the garden, and that's all about my house. There's also a lot of lanterns in my house. Just ignore all those lanterns. So I'm just
14 metal.
just
Block 50. Break. Player
I'm
use.
I'm just gonna lower the volume. There we go. Oh my gosh, I like you little riffles. By the way, that's all for my house. Okay, there's also some blocks, there's also some decorations in my house, like all those lanterns. Why did I just fall in the pool? Did you push me in the pool? Did you, Ruffles? You cute little Ruffle, rascal. By the way, yeah. That's all about my house. Now I'm just gonna cook dinner, even though maybe I just wanna... By the way, that is all for my house. I'll see you guys later for some more videos. Subscribe. And also go to my channel in more videos. So, goodbye. This was so much fun. I recommend for you to build your own Minecraft house.